Hey, welcome back to Taking Trades. My name is Jimmy, and this is our channel where we share day trading information, entries, exits, anything surrounding day trading. So welcome. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, and let's kind of dive into things. So today, February 12th, 2019, and I have to apologize right off the bat. I didn't trade yesterday. I sat on my hands, so I didn't post a video, and it felt weird. I've had videos every day except for yesterday. So today I did trade, so I'm gonna upload a video, and my two trades revolved around my VWAP break strategy, which I need help like naming this thing. The VWAP break of the break is the name I'm thinking about. The VBB. So it's the initial break of the VWAP, and then setting an order below or above if you're going long, and for the next break of that break is where you enter. So I need help with that. But anyway, I took two trades. One was a winner, one was a loser. The loser seemed to feel like a bit of a short squeeze. There was a little bit of consolidation around the VWAP, and it held and it held and it held, and then it got squeezed and I got stopped out. So kind of a break-even day, one loser, one winner. I want to go ahead and show those to you though, so I can talk through the strategy of what I was thinking and sort of show you why I think the winner won and why the loser lost, and we can kind of go through that. I saw other opportunities. I missed a few on a few other large cap stocks, and so it was just sort of a, I don't know, sort of a choppy day for me. Didn't do a whole lot and didn't trade any natural gas today, but I want to hear what you guys traded. Are you red? Are you green? And did you trade any large caps, or did you stick with natural gas today? I want to hear about that as well. So anyway, hope everyone had a great weekend. Sorry there was no video yesterday. We're back at it today. So let's go ahead and jump into the trades.
Okay, here we go. So the trade I wanted to show you first off was my trade I took on Twilio. And this was the one that I felt like I just got squeezed on. So if I zoom in here, you can kind of see I took a short position with 300 shares at 115.76 on this 1 minute candle right here, because I got a break. And what was weird that I guess I should have been alerted to maybe was that as this thing started to drop, this lower wick came out like immediately. It was like slammed down and then right back up. And that indicates buying pressure. So, you know, maybe that should have tipped me off and let me know that we probably weren't going to break and go below the VWAP here. But I went ahead and took, after it broke down and did that, it came down a second time and then migrated up. So I set my order below that second push down. And then eventually when we broke that earlier break, I got activated in, triggered my order, and I was in. Came down here and bounced and then just squeezed right out and stopped me out. So I was able to control my risk, but I definitely got squeezed at 115.98 here. So 22 cents, that included a little bit of slippage. So that was a unfortunate occurrence, but you know, then you can see later on we got another VWAP break that was nice and clean, and that would have worked perfectly there. So for my 20 to 30 cent target. But yeah, just got totally, and then look at this. Oh my gosh. So here's what I was kind of looking for right here. That didn't exactly happen over here. So anyway, got squeezed out of there. That was my trade on Twilio. And then the other one I took was on Square. And this was my winner. And this was actually a pretty good trade. I was excited about this one. And what happened was, so I sold 300 shares at 75.36. So I got a break of the VWAP. And then when I got a break of that initial break, it triggered my order and I was in short. Came down, bounced, rolled over, and sort of trickled along, was sort of consolidating in here, and then dropped. And when I got down here to my target at 16, which was a 20 cent target, I went ahead and sold 200 shares into that move. So went ahead and locked in profit, let 100 shares run, hoping for a nice downside dump. And instead, we sort of bounced back up, acted like it wanted to roll over a couple times, and ultimately, before I went red on the last 100 shares, I went ahead and exited my position. So it was a nice setup because I was able to take profit and then be completely in the driver's seat with these last 100 shares. I could have left these 100 shares on all day long if I wanted to. Maybe it would have gone for another $1.50. I don't know. But you never know that unless you let a small position ride. So I've been trying to sell a partial position, take profit, and then let a small piece just ride, rather than taking, all 300 shares and cover at one time. Because you never know, you might get a massive sell-off that, ultimately that 100 share position could end up making you more than your initial 200 share cover position. So just experimenting with that a little bit, and this one worked really well. So I was really happy to take some profit on that. So that was about it. It was a one winner, one loser, kind of a bust break-even day, and I got squeezed. It just felt kind of weird, kind of sluggish. So I'm still working on this VWAP break of the break strategy, and I'll keep updating you on what I'm doing with it and how it's working as far as statistics on it. But any input I'd appreciate. If anyone has any opinions or thoughts, let me know. Let me know what you traded today. Are you red? Are you green? Did you trade the natural gas? Did you go large caps? Were you short? Were you long? Let me know, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.